Hello, hello. Leighton Smith, EA here with Hoffler Smith Financial Services. I was asked by a good friend to do 1 minute of tax tips for 2024 on April 10th. So tax deadline is April 15th. Today's April 10th, and we're going to do 1 minute of fury of tax tips. So let's get the stop clock ready. Let's see if I can do this. All right, so if we want to talk tax tips right now, I would really just talk about the ones that you should not miss. So there is the electric vehicle credit. That's up to $7,500. It's IRS form 8834 that you fill out. And that's for anybody who bought an electric vehicle last year or a fuel cell vehicle. I don't actually know what a fuel cell vehicle is. My car take gas. So, but anyway, that's up to a $7,500 credit right there. When you fill that out on a form, IRS form 8834. Also, you still have your residential energy credit, and that's a form, IRS form 5595. That's up to a $1,200 credit for windows, doors, heater, AC, roof, anything to make the home more energy efficient. One of the always go-tos is your IRA contribution for 2023. Under 50, you had a $6,500 max contribution limitation. Over 50, $7,500 is what you could contribute. For the current year, 2024, it's going to go up $500. So 7,000 and 8,000 respectively. So you still have until April 15th to make that IRA contribution of $6,500. The last tip I would give, one of the last tips is if you're not ready to file your tax return, file the extension. You have an automatic 6-month extension form 4868. That's for an automatic 6-month extension. But be aware that is an extension of time to file, not an extension of time to pay. I think on that form it might be your line 4. So it says estimate of your total tax for 2023. Whatever's on that line, $500, $5,000, $50,000, $150,000. You need to make that payment. All right. Whatever's on that line, make that payment, and you'll get around any estimated penalties. So just remember, it's an extension of time to file, not an extension of time to pay. Last tip I would give is stop procrastinating. Looking for tips on April 10th and April 15th is the deadline. Insane. All of the changes, we try to talk to our clients in the third quarter, beginning of the fourth quarter, so sometime between September and November of each year to see if there's any other deductions, credits, anything that need to be done in that year for them to take advantage of it when we file come April 15th of next year. So if you want to help your accountant, your tax professional, whoever pulls together your financials, if you want to help them, you need to work with them while you're in the year. If you don't do that, you turn them into historians. And that's it. That would be the last thing I would say. If there was 2 weeks ago there was a snowstorm coming, 2 feet of snow is going to drop on the ground, you would start buying food now. You would start, stocking away gas now. You wouldn't wait until 2 days before the storm to do that. Or maybe you would. But you shouldn't do that, okay? You should be like the state of Georgia. State of Georgia, they hear they're going to get a quarter of an inch of snow, shut down for a whole damn month. They shut down for a whole month. So that means everybody must have planned to be at home for a whole month. You have enough food, get all that good stuff. So be like Georgia. Start planning. Leighton Smith, EA, partner of Hoffler Smith Financial. 3 minutes of fury, 3 minutes of tax tips. Take care, guys.